how to remove original sound in Inshot. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to remove the original sound from a video in Inshot. So first things first, open up your Inshot app, then tap on the video and then select the clip that you want to edit. And then tap on the video on the timeline. So there you can see the mute clip option. So if you tap on it, then it will mute the original sound. So this completely removes the original audio from your video, and then you can add music or a voiceover instead. You can add various sound effects as well. And that's it. That's how you remove the original sound from a video in Inshot. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.